Hey beautiful, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe. Today I'm going to show y'all my second wash and go. I had this hairstyle a few months ago and some of you guys asked how I achieved it and curled my hair like this. Y'all know I will do anything y'all ask. The only different product I'm going to use is the gel. I used Eco Styler on the first one and I didn't like the result because it made my hair felt so heavy and sticky, and I hate seeing white flakes on my hair. It made me look so dirty. So I bought a different gel. I love eco styling. I've been using it for 6 years to lay my hair down and all. So today I decided to use a new one. As far I can see, this new gel is going to be one of my favorites. It's so freaking good. If y'all are not familiar with my hair people, yes, I love making my own deep conditioner to keep my hair and scalp healthy, and this promotes hair growth. I'm trying to grow my hair, y'all. My hair and these ingredients are best friend. Y'all gonna see how happy she looks after meeting them. So now I'm gonna hoop in the shower, rinse this out, shampooing and conditioning my hair. Now I am back. I'm going to use this peppermint oil on my hair. Y'all don't understand how much I love peppermint oils on my scalp. It feels so freaking amazing and relaxing. It stimulates hair growth and gives my hair a healthy shine. I'm rubbing it real quick and spray my hair with water before adding the gel. Make sure your hair is detangled. I'm using a Demon brush to detangling my hair. So this is the gel I was talking about. It's called Xtreme. It gives the hair a nice soft hold, and it made with aloe vera, which I love, and it's alcohol free. I love the smell. It smells like a fresh wash hair. It's not heavy or sticky on my hair. It's very lightweight. I love it. Don't worry about the white stuff. Once it dries, my hair will look nice and shine. Shrinkage is real. Okay, babes, this is my hair. It's not fully dry. It took 3 hours to look like this. It's like 90% dried. And I started in two ponytail the same way I liked it. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Share this video with your friends and family. If you wanted to see something on my channel, don't be shy to ask. Comment, email me, or DM me on Instagram. Everything is in my description box. I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching.